bad. Well, I'm out sailing again. Just the main up with one reef. It's a bit gusty. Well, just executed a reasonably successful jibe. Looks like I'm heading into a bit of a gust here, so let's see what happens, eh? That was pretty successful, thanks to some instruction on about keeping the boat flat when you jibe. So that went around all right. Always a bit nervous to jibe. Probably sail better with the jib up, but I actually like it down. I can like the visibility. That's it. Up a buoy and have some lunch. You can see the city way in the background, maybe beyond all the masts of the yachts. You can see Centre Point Tower just poking up above the hill. So yeah, so I'm on Kogarah Bay, south of Sydney. If I don't accidentally jibe here. So way down there is Centre Point Tower and the city. So successfully picked up the mooring, and on the lee side of all the yachts, so when it's time to go should be right. Ah, that's no good. Main sheet's dangling in the water. Might lift that up just a little bit more with the topping lift. Alright, here we are. Stop for some lunch. Nice little sail. Ready for lunch. So simple lunch today. Yeah, a couple of apples, tuna, crackers and a beer. Now for those of you who are worried about drinking and sailing, it's actually a Great Northern Zero. So it's not my favourite of the zero alcohol beers, but it's not bad. I actually like the James Squire Zero. But yeah, anyway, this is lunch. Got the music playing, and we sit here in the beautiful Kogarah Bay amongst these very expensive yachts that are sitting here going nowhere with nobody on them. I might go for a swim. And practice getting back into the boat. See how that goes. Oh well, I went for a swim. The water was nice. Managed to get back into the boat. Just over the side, used the jib sheet to help pull me back in. Wasn't comfortable though, and with the oars there makes things a bit difficult. But yeah, it was all right. coffee. Showed that in a previous video, and I had a lukewarm coffee, but this time I thought I'd try something a little bit different, and I've actually brought with me some ice. So the GoPro's died. I'm using my phone here. So I packed some ice in the esky, still some there, so I'm going to put that in to make an iced coffee, and my milk has been in the esky as well, so that's still nice and cold. One thing I didn't pack though was a cup, so I just got the top of the thermos as the cup, and unfortunately I brought the small thermos. Okay, so I've got some ice in there now. Not much room left for milk, I might have to add a bit more each time as I go. Nice coffee. It's not bad. I think that's going to be a success if I bring a bigger cup next time. Well, it's nice to have some company. Been sailing out here for a couple of hours by myself, but a few guys from Raid Sydney have turned up, so that's nice. Oh, lovely to sail in company. Little stingray. Saw a big one a few minutes ago when I was out swimming.